this moment I want to share you something regarding how to solve one question in physics. This is about the momentum and pulse of. Actually, this is not about the momentum, not about the collision. Also, this is about the energy. Okay, before we continuing our video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment, and also share to the others. Okay, we read the question first. The two balls continue moving together along horizontal frictionless surface toward a spring, as illustrated in figure 4.3. Ball has total mass as 0.500 kilogram and has velocity 2.4 meters second minus 1. And also toward to a spring. The spring has constant 72 newton meter minus 1. This is horizontal surface with frictionless surface. The ball hit the spring and remains stuck together as the decelerate to the rest. All the kinetic energy of the ball is converted into elastic potential energy of the spring. The energy E stored in the spring is given by a half of kx squared. When k is spring constant of the spring and x is compression, the spring obey Hooke's law as spring constant 72 Newton meter minus 1. Determine the maximum compression of the spring caused by two poles. Okay, we know this is about the convert energy from the kinetic energy into the potential energy on the spring. Let's say we can say this is about the uh, from kinetic energy, it's changed into potential energy as E equals to a half kx square. Yeah. So we continue about this main. We can say kinetic energy as the half, yeah, 0 of mv square. mv square, yeah. And the potential energy is this is about a half also of k and then x compression, yeah, square. So we can say we can delete this number a half, yeah, and we have about the but the xs, sorry, yeah, x as the or if we go directly as the number, mass is 0.5 kilogram and times with velocity square, yeah. This is 2.4 square, yes, equals to k constant is 72 and then times with x square. So actually x square has 0.5 times 2.4 square divided by 72. Yeah. This, and then we have s x as the, yes, x square. Oh, sorry. As the 0.5 times with 0.5 times with 2.4 square. Yeah, this is around 2.88. Yeah, and then divided by 72, we have 0.04. 0.04. Yes, what about x? Yeah, yes, x is root of 0.04. Yes, we can say x as the 0.2 meter second. Yeah, this is x as the 0.2 meter. Yeah, or this is around 20 centimeter. Okay, I think this is the best answer is then compression is around 20 centimeter after the spring hits by the balls, yeah, two balls x and y. That spring has constant number 72 Newton meter minus 1. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and also share to the others. Thank you very much, and see you on other videos.